Class K fire extinguisher is specifically designed to combat fires involving cooking oils and fats, which are common in commercial kitchens and food preparation areas. These fires burn at extremely high temperatures and require a specialized extinguishing agent. Click on the next button to proceed. Great work! This is the gas station area. We are now going to experience a fire incident caused due to industrial gas leak ignition. Let's learn how to respond using the correct fire extinguisher. Select the correct option based on the current scenario. Correct answer is Class K for cooking oils, fats, and kitchen fires. Grab the fire extinguisher. Remove the pin from the fire extinguisher. Grab the nozzle pipe from fire extinguisher. Aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep from side to side. Place the nozzle pipe back on fire extinguisher. Place fire extinguisher back. Great work! You have successfully prevented us from the fire.